ebusian for aha Ghana TV GH message like comment subscribe. Turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are going to fire. Ebusian for a hey job bodo. Yes, I know. A hey job bodo. NDC for no. The victory of my mama is coming again. It's coming again. Hey, Jobodo, we are Mizu, we are Miza, we are Miza, we are Mizu, we are Mizuza, we are Mizazu, we are Mizuza, Zazazizi. Hey, this is what I don't know. He said, Zuna is Zolumi, Zombie. When is Zombie? He said, we are Mizu, no, we are Mizomi. I was on 30th of April next month. Last day of April. BBC. Hey, BBC. Ha, BBC. 30th of April. NDC Grassroot. I'm sorry. I'm supposed to say it. We cannot keep quiet and keep suffering. Check. A comedy, na mo beza obi aye na ya brebom no pele ma baba mu a mu appointing crofo na mo from who neutrals number 1 number 2 ma mo what wodi keep so nkwa na mo appointing number 3 ye party for so ye ba mo si ye ni documents bia ye ni documentation bia na ye qualified ye pebebe kotina I'm say sad the end. They'll come and review the secrets of NDC was demonstration. And they are form a WhatsApp group, national WhatsApp group. And was screen soon. Group nothing NDC Grassroot nationwide demo loading. A WhatsApp group name no. Wow, share name now. Wow, who name what you say? Any Bresamaba. Hey, job bodoye. Fellow NDC Grassroots, it is time to rise up. We have talked enough. We've waited enough. We've been patient enough. It is time to turn our words into action. The neglect, the marginalization, and the broken promises end here. We are the backbone of the NDC. The reason why our party came to power. We cannot be sidelined. We cannot be ignored. We cannot be silenced. It is time to demand change. I feel the passion. I feel the passion. I feel the passion with which this has been written. And when you read it in the voice of an NDC Grassroots person, what me say? Because for NDC Grassroots need to type this good English, I just say, for the both fupa, and now we use the AI. Because for NDC Grassroots need, we are the backbone of the NDC. A good English. But NDC ni bet me choose English. Now if you the word marginalization, NDC ni e was an AI. Hey jobodo. AI. And I'm saying, you see, join us on 30th April 2026 as we take to the streets to demonstrate our pain, our anger, and our determination. Let's show the government and party leadership that we will not be. Sorry. Now let's go. Let's continue. See, we are not just numbers. We are not just votes. We are the NDC family, and it is time we act like it. Let's march to the Flagstaff House and NDC headquarters. Let's make our voices heard and let's demand action. No more empty promises, no more broken dreams, no more marginalization. It is time for change, it's time for action, it's time for us. Join the nationwide demonstration. Bring your voice, bring your energy, and let's rise up together. Our demonstration with the because yantimiti now man we na ya jamo se mun that grassroots no sa yen penisuda yen jintum and help us to reach this is the presence with all our will and march forevermore. at the NDC for demonstration with you. Me them in pay Juma, bia aban Juma them in pay. She see them in pay under NDC. There be Juma okoye 11 months now. A 2 months. Me them minisa home minisa ni jeno. Sa adasada jeno minibi. Enti, but we are going to help our brothers. They cannot take them for granted like that. Omunye gana phobia mana. Omunye gana phobia. Adena emuye misa. Adena muye mu grassroot force. Omunye gana phobia. NDC grassroot for omunye gana phobia. Senko for ni 20 omunti minya juma. Ade boni pain sir. Go forward, prayer. I'm a partner power. I feel a partner papa where we are. Muse one go square won't be juma. Abraham muse omokoya campaign there. Mopesa muse omoko school there. Mwembesa. And then yeah, mubisa say omoko certificate mbra. Adey. And this is for Adey. And then I'm a grassroot no sir. And then grassroot for and soon why? Yami be why? Yo, bye. Let's go and listen to this conversation. But before then, be a studio, total cost near 25,000 Ghana cedis. We call dollars $2,300 thereabout. Mumbai, why? Let's bring this together. The number Edna was pronounced here no. Kitwe bien so. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.
And I'm doing the cool. The program now, yeah, in fact, me can be a woman in the mission. Then you super baba. So to 500 Ghana, 2 weeks and a little light. A Juma crana or yeno crano, Nakatua crano, just a Juma put me or yes saying our jacket, yes, and or jacoto light. Now your girl, I was so a baba or kama. That's or baby light bill, 2 weeks, 500, Abrabo Ben or Babo. Or Braben or Babo, near Quia or no whisker, or with me tia. A dufobo. I said, Jamaican side because only an issue. What I say, me my no mo Jim if ya nam him say a alone or mo yummy because first no me talk 100 Ghana more crana 100 Ghana no near you know me to me you bro 2-3 weeks but 100 Ghana me no say me random koto 800 ababoguso 800 my house say by all means only 3 days na sa because ya Jimmy home most of y'all am say to na mo pesa mo kire say e ma obi anka abanasem enne ya stimulus ashe friend say teachers for say mun come on ntum sa asem na ye say do mo mene say me ko say ye kakadro e ma mu huhuma no apa na no Ghana mpanifo to come on to mu pesa mo be ka ho asem demonstration is part of governance. That's what obi I was money showing the grievances. Charlie. Enti then am pesa mon kan society na. Mo pesa mon kan o mind say, "Ye bo but me nsu." Okoye demonstration e be yi wedi. E be hu 1 year mponi. 1.5 say 1 year ne 3 months mponi. Akuya. Me short ene na me baby. E kakra na ko ka ni mu e de chen e dem ho. Nya me betua NDC ne na banka. De o mo ye no. Mam from see me time the biaka mo fanche adum PZ.
Yo, Mate Captain Medase. Okay, so I will move on to the next person who happens to be Mr. Marcus. Net to say. I know Mama feels.
Michelle Ho, Abrabon or the elbow up and down. And Chiancoma Obibia.
Yeah, Joseph.
One hour saying, and when you messy Golda, Mempeda Mobano full name Golda and Dam minimum. Say, I was a teacher in Tino minimum pa. Now, Golda you'll be personally. Oyo oba no ho ye fe pa. Oyo English madam. Na no brofo pa. Onyim life so bo pa. Na becoming the headmistress of Swedru Secondary School. Now that's why all students were.
Oh,
It was an intentional decision. Golda was trained as an assistant headmistress in Wesley Girls High School, Cape Coast.
Oh, okay.
Now, was shut down or wasn't about her there. On shed the school system. Now, uncle replicating Swedru Secondary School.
Swedru, wow.
Yeah. So she was intentionally trained. Nenima, at a point in time, because of Golden Tea, on New Wesley Girls, na Swedru Secondary School, alliance, where the girls in Swedru Secondary School, sometimes they come and spend 2 weeks in Wesley Girls, so that when leaders, they will learn from Wesley Girls prefect, how to control the students, how to guide them, and a lot of things.
Wow.
Now, you see, so NDC, so obi yadina adini ye. They just think, oh,
It's easy.
For some, scavengers. And this was scavengers. One dog, one pump.
Dumpster divers.
Mamma no denim na lo dem not. On pep bread, on shusha brown bo. On man no se sika ba mi pe na wenyu aye keli. Amfa ma wona nyimpo bo. E de mo wona no ase no. Oya my who because the lady no or projects or ideas or objective for Swedru Secondary School. And ever since Obaya headmistress go and check her track records. How to even instill confidence in students. Na mesi nankasano personally you love her. Inti sende Swedru Secondary School. Se one man no homeno do ma wa yefewa. It is not an empty decision. On the hokeke no school no wa dem no. Na moya mayo ho yin de. Ahemfa wo Swedru. Old student. So when anyone yet them, now one intervener. You see, Golda onye easy to ride over her, but this is the NDC we are talking of. NDC muno sa woreba ya bwana. Nipa bi anyi watch one echiro, including one as of our Woboshe ma de fefe wa building wa sen. Menyurika say, "Mama head of department." No so Swedru nti onyim no pa, but o NDC ni. Obakana na tumu de masemi. And this will more. And sometimes I don't reclaim this as people think you just hate them. Why are destructive? Why are deserve ankasa? Go down your friends on anybody. He say, "What pedal will boof and do a hole, one more on a quan." Opera wo bufo wo bun kam fa no de keke wa ma hono kwan nti yempa kwan bi de yen sem. That's all. But the old student of Swedru Secondary School, this is a clarion call on you to go and protect your own, because go the net track record net training na ne ahofama pada opede Swedru obeye one of the best schools, especially when he was trained. She was trained for that position. More politics. De biara fan say ho. That's why I am sad. Me wanna me personally, she was a friend. Nti Ghana mpemfu na sabi asama ho hwana no. Won fo hwana no nto asem no. Because mofroma no honi ye nti na maame no wode no kwai do nkwohwe na on tintin school no ma Swedru on ma no home no so number one of the best schools. Abasam na wa ba ama all of a sudden NDC party executive ono no rekoye party ono na orokoye school like Swedru secondary school ono na orokoye ne ye eku amemmotu makanayin we will appeal to them to intervene and then find a solution to it. But go that day say we yini fu ha ma bomb from an apple ma bo school na apple and Swedru community leadership one I don't find leadership osesanya mapao
Yeah.
leadership are very important in all the things that we do. Leadership on the hokwa. If you don't get a good leader, at the pepebia what the in 60 or 70 or even 100 years was I you can just get one leader or the african or best say be pepebia wa na muhuni yanche na kichi ne bibiara se ekwo me de onu besia. But quickly, me ask for Mr. Muhammad Makade. One, on Bugana for on like on Bugana for on Fagana for Nyafi. Because President Otum Ojina podium do not catch Ghana for there. Ukraine, no Russia. A corner order Ghana in the Ukraine or Russia, or your content almost 7,000 kilometers. Nti so obi ka kire de woroko Ghana yeti yen baby nti no hunsunsan de no baba sabe onyanya ansasem because bomb biara moto Ghana nti sande papa onyim nyansasene nyina msa mama na adwene mu no onyim nyansasene Ghana fu nyina se and in fact Ukraine woroko na COVID it was almost 2-3 years asemu. COVID started 2019, 2020, now we do Ghana, 2021, 2022, 2020, almost 3 years.
Yeah.
Now, Iran, Iran onyi kaswa, no onyi ojobi. Onyi dogo, na wakwa pam. Iran should be over 2020. So warokwa, only 2 weeks simple. Or that Ghana or by affecting Hannah.
Debbie.
What this ye opinion in it to me a bold knock cadamasa the chair woman for that I will opinion in tea. I send be a boon my boot my catcher here. Yam from an order yes I want to. Yam from an no order our opinion you are not restrained when it comes to how you comment on certain issues towards your own people. Yam from an order yes I know. Now, oh, Mr. Mahama, Ghana yentu oyela. Ghana yentu oyela nibi. Ekwa Ghana yentu oyela.
Ye to be.
Nti so oyela no bu no roko so ayan de no, da musika na ye nya no, ye de bi ye de bo Ghana for no ye ya na.
Ebe ye.
By force all what there at the year 2. Ghana yentu oyela. Mr. Mahama yesra no, de bi amaka onyi motivation ehuma body biara de obobo Ghana for ba ye panichaw say yan hweye ya ansa na pepe obolu to Ghana ejapadini nyina no 4 years obokọ no na nyimpa wa hwere ho nkọ no na odoso yesra no ai Pastor Duncan Williams na bishop na Aginasari. This is the time I would want papa na kasa yesra ho na ati yesra ho yana papa Aginasari yesra man ka wanu ntum ati man ka wanu ntu nya Ghana fu yaso yedin but ye pochaw enyi wonua no enyi wo pade no enyi nkasa no on take a break in kankra ma hen because on yen speed too much abakuti ayekwekotoy ade orokodo wo Ghana obi adonda Duncan Williams yesra papa yesra ati enyi wonua no nkasa yan papa Kofi Duro yesra enyi wonua no nkasa ati akufo adodi ono oye wokura ne ba nti ono na wo mpe na asem ono oye busufu wanwon ono nyame yi ne man na Jesus nunua wo doba Duncan Williams wankasa wo doba no so aba no so sanyama nkoye ntum nka na sabi aden yesra hu ati Ghana mpinfu yesra hu ekwa na masema maka yesra hu man kan kase yesra hu ati Ghana for it Iran onyi Ghana nti yesra hwan ai oyere na yetu no ye no for so kakra no want to be na won fen cushion Ghana for because at the moment no things are hard ikonkofre bro ndida menyiman kasam papa owo menyi di nkomo osiko nyama nye akukra na wa kwani pension ateni baby onu poso nye na abaketesi a wesi do onu na obaka do ya nyama nye masama hama yesrawati huyamobo na ye bibi fa Ghana ateti na nkofuru kom no ho because ayedem a ye musa ye wo baby no pressure by handle yesraw ai eku adam na mbaka na medesi medase na akwenje aduma.
Mr. Marcus, Miss Medase. Mr. Marcus, what is some George Akoto laptop? Bako boy 14,000, 12,400.
You. Some George Akoto laptop. In America, no.
Yes, almost 1 million coders program being an almost your mobile. Laptop or cry the bar say if I may coding. Or the Bakubia de Ghana or Koka a year 20,000. Bakubia or de Ghana a year 12,400. Laptop needing Eddie Lenono.
Na minim de Lenovo no Lenovo only American product. Na Lolo is the na laptop no yen Griana.
Yeah. Yeah.
And already I am so free for no.
No. As I make it is not a known brand. I've been saying it here since morning. And no, and yet known brand
everywhere.
It's not known. Mama no mako kretu o ma